If your X, formerly Twitter account has been suspended, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend your X account step by step using the official appeal process. This is the safest and most direct method because it goes straight through X's own support system, which means you're not using any risky third-party tools or shortcuts. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is try to log into your suspended X account. Go to x.com or open the X app and sign in with the account that's been restricted. In many cases, X will show you a message explaining that your account is locked, suspended, or limited. That message is important because it usually means you still have access to the appeal process. Once you're logged in, or once you reach the suspension notice, the next step is to open the official appeal form for a locked or suspended account. You want to make sure you're using the real X support page, not some random website or fake form. The official appeal form is where you can ask X to review your account status and restore access if the suspension was a mistake or if you can explain and correct the issue. When the appeal form opens, you'll need to fill it out carefully. Start by entering the account details requested, such as your username, email address, and any other information X asks for. Make sure everything is accurate and matches the account that was suspended. If the form asks for a reason or explanation, keep your response clear, respectful, and honest. Briefly explain that you would like your account reviewed and restored. If you believe the suspension was an error, say that calmly and professionally. If your account was suspended because of activity you didn't understand, this is your chance to ask for clarification. It's a good idea to avoid writing anything too long or emotional. The best appeals are short, polite, and direct. Focus on the facts and make it easy for the support team to understand who you are and why you are requesting a review. If there's a text box for additional details, you can mention that you'd appreciate a second look at the account and that you'll follow X's rules going forward. After you complete the form, review everything one more time before submitting it. Check your email address, check your username, and make sure there are no spelling mistakes or missing details. Then send the appeal and wait for a response from X. Depending on the case, it may take some time for the support team to review your request. In some situations, they may ask for additional information, and in others, they may restore your account after reviewing the appeal. While you're waiting, keep an eye on the email linked to your A account, including the spam or promotions folder, because that's where the response may arrive. If X asks you to verify your identity or complete another step, respond as quickly as possible to avoid delays. And that's the basic process for trying to unsuspend your X account. Log in, open the official appeal form, fill it out carefully, and submit your request for review. The biggest thing to remember is to stay patient and professional throughout the process. That gives you the best chance of getting your account back. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your X account restored.